Alright, I'm going to show you guys 10 exercises that will help you lose body fat. Not only do these 10 exercises target the biggest muscles in your body, which are going to burn more calories during and after your workout, but I'll also explain why we redoing each exercise and the benefits behind it, so you have a better understanding of how to pick the right exercises for yourself depending on your goals. Okay, first one is the squat. Why? Because it works the largest muscles in our body, the glutes and the quads. When you work these big muscles out, your body is going to tap into energy sources and burn tons of calories. It's also very simple to perform squats with just your own body weight. Or you can add weight using a barbell, dumbbells, or even a backpack. And since this is an exercise everyone can do, I recommend doing 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise no. 2 is the deadlift. Another great exercise for targeting those posterior chain muscles, specifically the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. The deadlift is an excellent exercise not only for building muscle strength and size, but also for improving grip strength and overall functional fitness. It is important to note though that the deadlift can be a very technical exercise, so it's recommended to start with lighter weights and focus on proper form before increasing the load. Once you get good at it though, you should be able to lift a lot of weight, which will burn a ton of calories. So I recommend 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Alright, no, 3, bench press. This is a classic upper body exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and even the core to some extent. There are many ways to perform a bench press using either a barbell, dumbbells, or even your own body weight. Again, the more weight you use, the more calories you're going to burn. Now, since bench press is an upper body exercise, there's less overall calorie burn compared to the lower body exercises we did earlier, but it's still very effective at burning calories while building lots of upper body muscle. So I recommend 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Now, if you want to increase the intensity of your workouts and challenge your cardiovascular system while working up a sweat, then try adding push-ups as your 4th exercise. This is an excellent calisthenic exercise that requires no equipment and can be done pretty much anywhere. Push-ups offer a full-body workout targeting the chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even the glutes and hamstrings engaged to stabilize your body. They're awesome because they allow you to use your own body weight as resistance, which can be adjusted by changing the angle of your body. For example, incline push-ups require less effort than regular push-ups, whereas decline push-ups require more effort. If you're just starting out, aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. But if you're more advanced, push yourself with 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Alright, moving on to exercise number 5, rows. Just like bench press, rows are another upper body exercise, but they target different muscles. Specifically, rows focus on the back, biceps, and forearms. Unlike bench press, which primarily targets the chest and shoulders, rows focus on the back muscles, such as the rhomboids, trapezius, and latissimus dorsi. These muscles are important for posture and upper body stability. To perform rows, you can use a barbell, dumbbells, or resistance bands. Again, the more weight you can lift, the more calories you're going to burn. So I recommend 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise no. 6 is overhead press. This is another upper body exercise that targets the shoulders, triceps, and upper back. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility and stability, which is beneficial for everyday activities and other athletic pursuits. It also strengthens the core and improves balance. You can perform an overhead press with a variety of equipment, including a barbell, dumbbells, and even kettlebells. Again, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Alright, exercise number 7 is pull-ups. Pull-ups are another bodyweight exercise that's very effective at targeting the back, biceps, and forearms. This exercise is great for improving grip strength and shoulder stability. Similar to push-ups, pull-ups require no equipment and can be done anywhere. However, they may be challenging for beginners. So if that's you, you can start by doing assisted pull-ups or negative pull-ups, before working your way up to unassisted pull-ups. And once you can do them, shoot for 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Now, if you want to increase the intensity of your arm workout, you can try adding bicep curls. Now, the reason why I suggest this exercise is because bigger arms will make your arms and wrists stronger. Having strong wrists will help you carry heavy loads and perform daily tasks with ease, which will translate into real life. In addition, having strong wrists can help prevent injuries when lifting weights or performing other physical activities. You can use a barbell, dumbbells, or resistance bands, and again, shoot for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise no. 9 is calf raises. Even though the calves aren't a very large muscle, their size can be deceiving because they have the potential to be very powerful. That's why it's important to train them. Plus, most people don't work their calves out, which can lead to muscle imbalances and even injury. Calf raises are also beneficial for athletes who need to jump, run, or cut quickly. By improving your calf strength, you can enhance your performance in various sports and activities that require explosive movements. And again, try to use heavier weight for this one. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Last but not least, sit-ups. Okay, so there's been a debate whether or not sit-ups and crunches are good for your lower back. However, most studies show that they're actually fine if you have no back pain or injury and are performed correctly. Plus, sit-ups offer several benefits such as strengthening your abdominal muscles, improving posture, and reducing the risk of lower back pain. Sit-ups also help improve balance and stability, which is important for many other physical activities. So 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. And there you have it, folks. Those are my top 10 exercises for losing body fat. Remember to focus on proper form and gradually increase the intensity over time. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.